Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change an event title in Calendly. This is a really useful feature when you need to update your meeting names to be more specific or align them better with your current scheduling needs. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Calendly dashboard where you can manage all your scheduling settings and events. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options. Make sure you're currently on the scheduling section. This is where all your event types are displayed and where you can make modifications to them. If you're on a different section, simply click on scheduling to switch over. Now that you're in the right place, browse through your list of events and find the specific event you want to rename. Once you've located it, click on that event. This action will open up all the details for that particular event, allowing you to view and modify its settings. After clicking the event, you'll notice that all the details appear on the right side of your screen. Here you can see various information about the event, including the current event title. Look closely at the event title area and you'll spot 3 dots positioned right beside it. These 3 dots represent a menu with additional options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Rename. This option allows you to change the title without affecting any other settings of your event. A text field will now appear where you can input your new event title, type in the updated name you want for your event, making sure it accurately reflects the purpose or nature of the meeting. Take a moment to review what you've typed to ensure there are no typos or errors. Once you're satisfied with the new title, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on this button to finalize and apply your new event title. And that's it. Your event title has now been successfully updated in Calendly, and anyone scheduling with you will see the new name. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.